That is full depth right there. That's good. Left leg's close. There you go. Set the heel, feel the weight there. You got lots of power on that heel. A what? 15 minutes. It took me 250 for the pull-ups. And then I went at the 4 for the Tabata. And then from 8, I went at like 8:30. The kettlebells? About that. I was pretty gassed. I haven't worked, like, I don't know, I was gassed. 50 each arm. Dude, you can take breaks. It doesn't have to be 50 in a row. Do that. Are you counting the ones from there?
No?
No, those are warm-ups. You only count the pistols when you get to doing a pistol. See, it's looking smoother, right? We're getting comfortable balance-wise and where we're supposed to be at. We just gotta do them. Getting loaded up on the heels. Left side you're a little high, Jason. Right side you're good. Small break in the knees and the hips, but your chest stays straight. Everything stays straight up top. Pull under. So try not to let your chest heave forward. Keep your chest perfectly straight. So it's just you're just going like vertically right down. That's better. Gotta do a super quick catch. Boy! There it is. Now you know it. Now you see it. Progression of Jason Gervais, 2012. I saw funny videos on turning 40 today. It was pretty funny. There's a football coach. I'm a man. I'm 40. I'm C.K. Lewis. Because nobody gives a shit that you're 40. They stop celebrating stuff cool stuff that you do. You're half dead.
What?
24.
28.
He's like a child.
What else did he say? He's like, nobody congratulates you for a good job. They're just like, good, you did your fucking job. Great. See you tomorrow. That's funny. Louis C.K. Good, ain't he? Yep. Good stuff. Just all in how fast can you get to the bottom position.
Can I put on some music quietly?
Sure, okay. You don't have to listen, I don't have to listen to him breathing heavy anymore. Sweating so much.
I haven't heard this before.
Pardon? It's hard after pull-ups because I suck at pull-ups. Maybe it wasn't hard. Maybe it was.
No, I'm good at pull-ups and it was still hard. So don't take second hard all around. Only potentially we're rocking 4 minutes with work. That's retarded. It's hard, but in general.
How about Jason?
Huh?
Good. If I can get Jason to debate a pistol, I can get anybody to do anything. Dude, I got Will to do a proper deadlift yesterday. I got Will to do a proper drop of a deadlift. That was insane. I loved it. He came and he brought it. Five zero. What do you got?
47.
What? Roll your butt after. There you go, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, do it.
I can't believe it.
Get strong.
All this time I've been telling myself I can't do them.